Isipin mo na lang na nakasalalay sa iyo ang scholarship ng mga bata. Kaya go for it, Donita!
For the children.
Rogie!
Children? Can I just like give them money na lang?
Children!
No arm.
After I went off the edge, sobrang hirap i-control yung rope. Kasi basa pa, nasa itaas ka pa, kaya mabigat, parang mahirap.
Siya nga, sanay na sa mga ganyan. My God, ako hindi pa, no? Ang beauty ko, baka mabali ang legs ko.
The way you're supposed to work the rappel is that you just hold the rope to your side. When you pull it this way, kahit ganunin ko, ayaw talagang bumaba. So I had to like push myself down, like push against the rope, which you have to use all your strength.
Grabe, lalim, Hindi mo kakaulang na. Ay! 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 Ay, nako, ayoko na nga. Nako.
Nakastuck siya sa corner. Ako, getting it on. This is the hardest part.
Nice one, Dee! That's it. Nice one.
Dahil nasa side kami ng waterfall, we were kind of slanted. Syempre, gravity will pull you towards the center again. So, when I would go under the waterfall, sobrang lakas. As in, it's like if you look up, baka tipong parang baka mabali yung leeg mo, tipong ganun kalakas.
Hello, I'm not Miss Adventurer here. Akala ko maglalaba lang kami dito sa stream.
Oh, wow! Iba ka talaga, Miss D. Kiber lang sa nagwawalang waterfalls. Ang taray!
Hello, I'm not Miss Adventurer here. Akala ko mag-aararo lang kami, no?
Alaro talaga.
Akala ko maglalaba lang kami dito sa stream.
It was an adrenaline rush for me, which I liked very much. It's what I like about it is that you have to push yourself beyond your own limits. If I was not doing extra challenge, I don't think I would do this on my own. Maybe because I wouldn't make the effort. Pero dahil parang in a way you're kind of forced to, or you're challenged to do it. Basta if somebody gives me a challenge, ayun na, gagawin ko na talaga. I will push myself.
Wait! Di pa dyan natatapos ang challenge dahil kailangan mo pang makababa sa 20 feet na ubod na dulas at ubod na tarik na rock formation na ito. Ang syoray talaga ng lola nyo. Wako masay. Sabihin mo nga sa amin, sinong nanay mo?
Magaling ba ako? Ay, Denise.
Magaling.
Thank you.
Aba naman, VJ na VJ ang dating.
Isang tao lang nagagalingan sa akin. Ate, din po.
May kakulitan din pala itong si Miss D. Maaliw naman kaya sa kanya ang mga tao. O di kaya, maasar.
Kung gusto mo Alika, mag-kiss tayo. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Ayan, sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Oh, people!
Galing!
Go, Jasmine! Go, Jasmine! Walang bakang go, Jasmine! Everybody is waiting for this! Let us bounce to you!
Don't look down. Look forward.
Akapin mo muna, te.
Relax.
Akapin mo muna. Ate. Just hold her.
Babalik. Yan, okay. Sige. Relax lang, relax. Relax. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, you're okay, you're okay, you're fine. Yes, you're fine. You're fine. You won't fall, you won't fall. Spread your legs.